Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Courage. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create the perfect Instagram reel ads for your brand. Why the reel ads? Because the reel ads, or the Instagram reel rather, is the perfect viral avenue for your brand, for brands on Instagram, right? The reels helps to boost brand engagement, brand awareness. It makes it easier to go viral. Now, if you now using the reels, using the advert, the real ad, makes it way easier and of course cheaper for your brand or for your content to go viral on Instagram. This is a huge boost. This is a huge advantage for all brands at the moment, right? So to create the Instagram reel ads is pretty much the same process of creating any other ad, and I'm going to show you everything here step by step and the best way to go about this, the best strategy to use so that you can use an existing reel post to create this advert. All right, just so we are clear, this is my Instagram page. These are reels. Okay, so we're going to try and use a very organic reel here to create this advert so that you understand the best pattern to go about your own ad so that your ad is going to look mostly organic. Okay, so we're going to try this one. Okay, good. So the best way to create your Instagram ad is through the Facebook Ads Manager, because at the moment you cannot create Instagram ads from, you cannot create Instagram Reels ad from Instagram. All right, you have to do this through the Facebook Ads Manager. So we click on create here. By the way, please give this video a thumbs up. Just like this video so that more people get to see it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing and turn on the bell icon so you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I publish videos. Now let's get started. So you click on the create button there. I use the video views because this is not a time to start selling. All right, you just want to boost your engagement. You want to create more brand awareness. You want more people to be drawn to your brand, to be attracted to your brand. So we're going to use a post that is as organic as possible, right? So we use video views because we want to get more views on that video to help it go viral. Yeah, so you click on continue here. So video views was our objective. So we name our campaign here Reels Test. Okay, so that's our campaign. Now we come here to the ad set level. The ad set level, just pretty much the way you run Instagram adverts. Okay, you select your audience here, your daily budget, $5, $10, $20. You have to decide or determine how much you want to spend per day. I'll leave it at $10 here. So we come down again, and your location targeting, mine is in Nigeria. So I'll leave my location as Nigeria. I can also target states within Nigeria or any part of the world that I want to target. All right, so you should know this already. Then the age, you go to your Instagram profile and you see the best age range that is suitable for your brand and for your business. You come here and you target the correct age range for your business. And then detailed targeting. Who are the people, or who is your ideal target audience? Who's your target audience? Who's your ideal customer or your ideal prospects? You put your detailed targeting option here. If you're a cake baker, if you're a baker who bakes cake, you target people who are interested in cakes. If you are someone who sells a car, you target people who are interested in cars. So your audience determines the kind of brand you are building and the kind of business you are into. So this is where you select your audience. This is where you select your audience. All right. So once you have done that, once you have selected your location here, the age, the gender, and your interest targeting, you come down here to placements. This is where you select your reels, but that's not where the magic happens. So we come down to manual placement. All right, manual placements, and then to devices, and we uncheck desktop. We want our ad to be shown on mobile devices only. Once that is done, you uncheck Facebook here on your placements, uncheck audience network, uncheck messenger. We leave it only on Instagram, and then we come down, we uncheck Instagram Explore, we We uncheck Instagram stories. We uncheck the streams, IG streams. Okay, we uncheck Instagram newsfeed. Okay, so we have just the reels now. So this advert we are going to create is going to be shown, or it's going to be displayed only on reels. So we are done here. We are done with the ad set level. Remember to use the right location targeting. Remember to use the correct location targeting. I left my own at Nigeria because I am a Nigerian living in Nigeria. Use the right age. Use the right age here. You edit here. Once you edit here, you select the right age. For the gender, you click on this edit button. You select the right gender. And for detailed targeting, you target the right audience for your business. All right. Once you are done with that, and once you have unchecked everywhere and selected just reels, you come to the ad level now. The ad level is where we create the ad properly. All right. So we select the page. So I'll select my wine business page here. Okay. Remember that to make a reels ad, you have to create your video in a vertical format, right? In a vertical form. This way, you keep your phone this way while creating the video, okay? In a vertical form. So once you have done that, once you have the video, you have two ways. You have two options. Is either you create an ad here, as you see, create ad. So you come here and you add a video. You click on add a video. You select videos from your media. If you don't have any video on your media here, okay, if you don't have any video on your media, you can upload. You simply click on upload here and you select from your desktop. Okay, so I'll select this video. Now, this is exactly how it's going to appear on the Reels advert. This is exactly how the video is going to appear. All right. So I'll just come here on the primary text and I'll say need wine for a party. And I'll stay for you. So this primary text is going to appear here, just underneath here. You can see the name of the business. You see the primary text here, right? Why not stay for you? You can then put a phone number, call, and then you put your business phone number there so that it's easier for people to contact your business. Okay? So this is pretty much as simple as it goes. Alternatively, you can also add a call to action. That is, if you want to add a call to action. All right, you can add a call to action. But then there's another way which I want you to use. But in this case, the video you must use in this very situation has to be a video that is less than 30 seconds or not more than 30 seconds. The video you're going to use on the Reels ad, if you want to get the best result, or if you want to use this next strategy, is a video that is 30 seconds or less. Okay, so instead of creating an ad, we use an existing post. Okay, we click on use an existing post. So once you have selected use an existing post, this is where you now use a post on your Instagram profile, a reel that you have made that is already gaining traction, a reel that is already, that already has a lot of views, and now you want this reel to get more views, to give your brand more exposure, to get more engagement. You are now going to import that reel into this ads manager to use it to create a proper advert. So you select a post, you come to Instagram here, okay, and then you look for the post, whichever post you want to use for this very ad, you look for it. I said I was going to use this one here, so I click on this and I continue. So we allow the post to, now this is the post, right? You can see it doesn't look like an advert. It looks so organic. Here you go. It looks so organic. It's entertaining. It's interesting. People would like to see what is going on here. What does it do next? Oh, he's having some fun. Oh, he's drinking. What wine is that? I'd like to check this wine out. Do you understand? And then the next thing you can do is use a call to action. If you want to sell, use a call to action. I use send message. So you click on send message here. And that is it. Okay. You see the text, primary text here. Okay. And then you see send message. So that when people come across your advert and they see your advert, they simply click on send message and then they send the message to you. Somebody can then request for, hi, please, which wine is that? Or hi, I'd like to get that wine. Or do you understand? Or where is your store? What can I get this wine? Can I get that? People are becoming more aware. It doesn't look like an ad. It looks so organic. It looks so real. Looks so relaxed, right? These are the kind of real videos you should be using to run adverts. It doesn't look like you are trying to sell to people. Okay, that's it. You simply select a video from your existing reels. You can select any of your videos. You can select any of your reel videos. If you want to change it, you can use a different video. You can use a different video, no hold bars, right? You can use a different video. It is always best to use a video that is already performing well. Okay? It is always best to use a video, a real video on your profile that is already performing well, that is already gaining traction. In that way, you give it more boost and it brings more awareness and more growth to your business. Now, when you use a different video and you experience this blank out, what you simply have to do is come here to call to action here. You change it from send a message to listen now or to any other call to action. All right. Once you change it, once you switch it, it is going to bring back the video here. All right. Then you switch it back to send message. Switch it back to send message. Simple. Looks so real, looks so easy, looks so organic. Okay, it's as simple as that. Once you have checked this and it is all done, then you click on publish. You hit the publish button and your reel is published. You can always use any post. You can always come here to change post. All right? You can always come here to change posts. You can always come here to change posts. The only thing is that once you change the post, you are likely going to experience this blank out here, this blank page here. Okay? When you experience the blank page, do not be dismayed. Do not be worried. It's normal. I think it's still a glitch on the part of Instagram, which I believe they will work on. Once you experience that, you come to your call to action button here. You switch to listen now and give it a little time. Then you switch back to send message. Then here we go. Your advert is ready. Your Reels advert is ready. Your Reels advert is ready. Simple like that. Easy peasy, right? And then you hit the publish button. You are good to go. You hit the publish button. You are good to go. Like I said, it is always best to use a reel that is already performing greatly. All right. When you use a reel that is already performing well, it gives it more boost. And make sure that your reel looks as organic as possible, very organic. Don't appear salesy. Don't appear salesy. Don't let people know that this is an ad. No, you don't come in the form of this is an ad. You make it easy for people to follow. You make it very simple for them, and it has to be engaging, entertaining, right? Educational, whatever, motivational. These are the kind of videos that will attract people to your brand. These are the kind of videos that people would watch and would easily share. They would easily share with their friends. They will share to their stories. They will share to different groups that they belong to. They will share to different people as far as they find it interesting, entertaining, educational, right? And of course, fun. So, yes, this is exactly how to create the perfect Reels ad on Instagram. Once this is done, you hit the publish button and your advert is good to go. I hope you learned something today. Please give this video a thumbs up and share the video with as many you know will find it helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.